everything your body needs to be healthy? The answer is yes. And that system is called angiogenesis, is how your body grows and maintains blood vessels, your circulation. Over the decades, the work has led to some remarkable developments in modern medicine. Like treatments that can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply of tumors, and also treatments that can prevent vision loss by stopping abnormal blood vessels from growing and leaking in your eyes. That's how powerful taming androgenesis can be. It turns out that your blood vessels can be controlled not just by medicines, but they can actually be controlled and influenced by food that you eat as well. Instead of talking about disease, I want to talk to you about the common denominator of health. That process is called angiogenesis, how your body grows those blood vessels. This is actually my area of research, so I want to tell you some amazing things that I've learned over the years. I started studying androgenesis when I was still in medical schools, and it was at the beginning of this science prime. But over the decades, the work has led to some remarkable developments in modern medicine, like can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply of tumors, or treatments that can actually heal wounds in diabetes by growing new blood vessels to repair and regenerate the tissue, and also treatments that can prevent vision loss by stopping abnormal blood vessels from growing and leaking in your eyes. That's how powerful taming androgenesis can be, and it tells us our blood vessels are really powerful. So, everyday choices you can make. We're interested in what you can actually do in terms of food, to actually support good vascular blood vessel health. Understand just how important blood vessels are. Consider their scale. You have about 60,000 miles worth of blood vessels packed inside your body. And if you laid them out, pull them out, they would form a line that would encircle the Earth twice. Your brain alone has about 400 miles of microscopic blood vessels, and these deliver oxygen and nutrients to the neurons that you need for thinking, remembering, memory, and also focus. Your skin contains roughly 100 miles of blood vessels, and they nourish, and the largest organ, your skin, in your body. Now these vessels, they are the highways and byways in your body that bring oxygen and medications you take to every single organ and every single cell in your body. When your blood vessels are healthy, your body feels like it's pretty well, and all of your organs stand the chance to optimize their health. Your brain receives oxygen, so your mind feels clear and focused. Your muscles thrive and that you can grow, so you have stamina when you exercise. Androgenesis even occurs in a woman of reproductive age to regenerate the lining of the uterus. That's the endometrium, which if there's no pregnancies gets sawed off, or if there's pregnancy, androgenesis is absolutely vital to support the growing fetus for 9 months until birth. Now your body can also grow new blood vessels in order to heal a wound. Whether it's due to surgery, or due to trauma, you have an accident, new blood vessels immediately start forming inside a cut area of your skin or your tissues to be able to heal. One fascinating thing about androgenesis is when you're exercising, your muscles actually grow more blood vessels in order to get more oxygen delivery. When your brain is very active, when you're learning, studying, or solving problems, your circulation increases in those areas as well. And even your skin constantly remodels its blood vessels to help with healing and temperature regulation. Your blood vessels to meet its needs. Now, one of the reasons that androgenesis fascinated me in my because of how the body precisely controls it. Your system in your body of androgenesis basically has ability to grow blood vessels where you want they're needed, or to stop them from growing where they shouldn't be, or there's not too many, not too many, not too few. Exactly like the Goldilocks zone in the Three Bears. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Your body controls androgenesis like this, like a volume switch. So it's not too many blood vessels, not too few, just right, and we actually call that the Goldilocks zone. So your tissues get all the blood flow and delivery of blood that it actually needs for balance. Very important. I call it right-sizing your vascular system. And in a moment, I'm actually going to talk about some that can help your body right-size its blood vessels to optimize health. And this is where things get really interesting, because while I told you that there are medicines to treat cancer that can cut off the blood supply or be anti-androgenic, Or there's medicines for mid-androgenesis. We can observe the rapid growth of new blood vessels, accelerating the wound healing process significantly. It turns out that your blood vessels can be controlled not just by medicines, okay, or by the genetics inside your body, but you cutting a hatons. They can actually be controlled and influenced by food that you eat as well.